What's going on, everybody? This is Black Fury and the rider in red. Oh my goodness, she is a beaut. There's a car expo happening in here, which is the first time here, I think. So naturally, Black Fury and I are attending. Now, to be honest, my mood isn't the best today, cause on my way here, you'll see it in the video. But I'm really trying to get my mood up, man. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's go. What up, everybody? Oh my goodness, you gotta love a litter bike. Man, this thing never gets old. Just the instant acceleration at your palms. Oh man, I remember the first time on a litter bike. I had the widest smile on my face when I just felt that torque. I also had my palms sweaty, but I didn't have any mom spaghetti. Oh man, weak. I know those jokes are weak, but hey, if you like weak jokes and puns and things that have very little effort in them, like your life, hit a like and subscribe to this channel. Is this thing recording? Okay, I got an idea, guys. I want to hear the lowest effort pun or joke you can come up with. Surprised your boy. Let's see what you guys got up your sleeves. I'm just realizing this is not the best intro to the video. But what the hell are these guys doing? Dude, what the hell are you doing? My god, you fucking asshole. I'm in the red light now? Oh my fucking... Look at this ass. Come on, man. Oh hell, I hope I don't get fucking fined because of that red light. Oh my goodness. Talk about a nice intro, man. Yeah, now I'm pissed. Okay, so I'm on my way to an expo, car expo, right? And it's the first time I'm hearing of a car expo here in this city. So naturally, we're gonna check that shit out. But you know what else we should check out? Check out that asshole who totally blocked me on that intersection. Jesus. Oh man, I sure hope I didn't run the red light. That's gonna be in the back of my mind the entire day now, till I can get to check out my footage and see if I actually entered the intersection while it was red, or if I actually did the right thing in it. Oh my god, that guy totally distracted me. Alright, I'm good. My god, that guy really grinded my gear. Been trying to collect my thoughts here. Jeez. You know what? Here's a new challenge for you guys. Drop a comment and tell me the worst. Just drop a comment and tell me what stupidity you've seen on the roads. By the way, I don't think you've ever seen me ride on this part of the city, so there's new experience for you. Sucks that I'm in a bad mood, right? Holy shit though, can you see the sky is beautiful? Oh my goodness, the sky is beautiful. And oh my god, am I still pissed. I can't concentrate on this video right now. I got an idea. I'll probably shoot an intro here and put it first. Give me that Tarantino time chronology mixing goodness. I don't even know what it's called.
Many months later.
Alright, my friend is here. Intro shot. We're on our way. My mood is a little better. Can you tell the enthusiasm in my voice? Yes, you can't. So I honestly don't know what to expect, guys, about this whole expo thingy. I know they're gonna show some cars, they're gonna have some just sellers, or I don't even know what they're called. But yeah, I think in one of the pictures from the event I saw a Challenger, a Dodge Challenger, and I gotta tell you, I freaking love that car. And I honestly want to go and check out, see how the whole like interior is. I've never sat in one. I've never driven one, sadly. But I am honestly pretty much in love with how that car looks. Oh my god, that is one of the badass looking cars out there. I'm actually really curious to find out what you guys think about the car, and if any one of you are actually familiar with it, and if you can give me any good information overall about the car, whether it's a good one to own. It's just like what are those called? The ups and downs of the car, I guess. The pros and cons. I don't know if there's gonna be people that I know there. I don't know if there's gonna be riders out there. I know one thing for sure though, that the place should be somewhere here. Yeah, I'm really not keen on following my friend though. Why is he gunning so fast, man? Come on. It's gotta be somewhere in here. And it's going really fast. I think it should be here. Yep, there it is. And my friend. Oh god. Come on, man, do I have to chase you now to tell you that you missed the parking spot?
A few inches later.
He's really gunning for it, isn't he?
A few moments later. Tomorrow. Tomorrow for sure.
Dude, we gotta turn around. Well, he at least saw my motions, which is good. A U-turn here, huh? This is convenient. Alright, let's go for this. Oh my god, today's not my day, guys. Can you tell? Oh. That said though, the sky today is actually really beautiful. I think I'm gonna do a few shots from here on the drone or something. I've actually never ridden here before, at least not this year. That looks really good on that right side. I wish you guys could see it, but that looks really good. There's just too much wing drag for me to just keep looking to the right. Alright, so we're on our way back to the place. I hope it's gonna be fun. I hope I get to do some nice montage. And I hope you guys enjoy this. I think I'm gonna wrap it up now. But oh my god, look at those clouds. If you like the clouds, hit that like button. Tackle that subscribe button. Just let me know if you actually enjoyed this video or not. Jesus, these suicidal dogs, man. Alright, we're here, guys. This was Rider in Red with the hell of a ride. Let's see what this place is all about.